Hello, everybody. This is the Antinatalist, and I just have a quick poem to recite today, and this will be brief. I don't know who did the poem, or when it was written, or the title of it, but it involves environmental and antinatalist properties. Like morning glory, bindweed falls. Without support, it only crawls. It cannot stand, it takes the force of any standing in its course. Just like mankind, a parasite. Upon the world, a fearful blight that takes from nature all she gives, forgetting that through her he lives. The earth, the river, the sundering sea, the bird, the beast, all creatures free, till all is foul and all is spent, and maybe then will men repent. Thank you for watching my video, and we are just now getting up on the East Coast. Pretty boy.